What's up guys? Are you looking for a full glass windshield for your Honda Talon? Well, SuperATV has you covered with our full glass windshield that's vented, has a built-in wiper, and today we're going to show you how to get it installed, so let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to do is lay out your windshield and get it ready to go. Then you're going to get in your hardware kit and you're going to see that you have two different kinds of bulb seals. So you're going to have a straight bulb seal as well as a 90-degree bulb seal. On the bottom here, which is where the vents are going to be, so this is the lower portion, you're going to install your straight. You just start right here on the edge and go all the way across to the opposite side and cut off any excess. Then we're going to take our 90-degree bulb seal, apply it to the top, and we want to make sure that the seal portion is facing inwards or towards the studs on the bottom of the windshield. And we'll just apply it starting right here at the top and go all the way across and then cut off the excess. Then we're going to take our foam seal and we're going to apply it from each edge of the bulb seal to the edge of the bulb seal on the outer edge of the windshield on both sides. Once you have it ran, just cut off your excess. So after you've done that, you can go ahead and get your vents and your thumb screws, and you'll just want to install the vents just like this. There'll be a right and a left. You'll just have to get them lined up to where they line up. So you see here, you loosen that, tighten it, it's closed, loosen it, opens up. And let's do the same thing over here for this side. Again, just make sure that your vents are lined up. Then we're going to get our clamp out of our hardware kit. We'll go ahead and remove the nut, separate the clamp, and you're going to see that you have a grommet. What I like to do is take my screw, and you see that little steel sleeve in there? You just want to push that out. And then you'll have 4 holes on each corner of the windshield. You just want to take these grommets, just feed them down into the holes, and take your steel sleeve, slide it in. And then this is just personal preference here. This is how I like to do it. Just makes it easier on myself. We'll take our screw from the outside, coming in, drop it on. And then just so it doesn't fall off, I just take my nut, get it started on there. Now we can just slide it on. We'll wrap this around the roll cage, take our nut off, and it makes it so much nicer, so much easier, especially if you're doing it for yourself. You'll just want to repeat these same steps for the rest of the 3 holes on the windshield. So next, you're going to see in your windshield kit here, you're going to have a wiper as well as your wiper handle. You're going to want to take your 10mm nut off. And then this little piece will just slide right off as well. And you'll come to one side of it, go ahead and remove the nut. You'll take off your rubber washer as well as your regular washer. And you're going to slide it up, making sure that the rubber is going up against the frame of the windshield here. So it'll look just like this. And you'll just take your nut here. We'll want to lock these down once we have it all set up exactly how we want it. What you're going to want to do is slide this handle down through, and then your wiper is going to set just like this. And then what we're going to do is take this black cap off of our wiper and then take this piece, grab a hold of it. You want to hold it tightly and you want to be careful because it has a spring on it. It'll want to flip back on you pretty hard and it can hurt you. We're going to line it up on the splines, and I like to get mine set center just like this. This looks a little bit nicer. And it works a little bit better. It puts the handle in a good position. So just get it lined up how you like it. And then you'll just want to tighten this nut. And once you have the nut tightened back down, you'll want to flip your blade down and you'll go ahead and you'll put your cap back on. So at this point, your windshield should look just like this. It's fully assembled, ready to go on the machine. So we're just going to grab a hold of our windshield and slide it onto the machine. And just make sure that your clamps are pulled out to the side on both sides. So now we're just going to reach in here And take our nut off of our top screw. Slide our clamp around. Get it lined up. I like to just take my thumb and kind of push this clamp in so that way it doesn't want to release. Then you can just reach in here nice and easily, start this nut, and we'll just want to repeat the same steps for the rest of the 3 clamps. We want to make sure our windshield is slid all the way up as high as it can go. That way it's making good contact with the upper portion of the cage, as well as good contact on the dash. Once we've done that, we'll just go through and fully tighten our hardware. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's full glass windshield on this Honda Talon 1000. For more information on this glass windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.